Does your partner's sleep number matter?
Sleep number? Oh, I would say that's probably, in my relationship is really easy, but that's probably one of the things, like, I snore because I have sinuses, and she's a light sleeper. So
I wasn't talking about that sleep number, though.
What sleep
also,
number?
body count. Does it matter?
He's like, no, I love her comfort. She's so comfortable. She's a light sleeper. No, how many dudes? Does that matter? Do you even ask? Do you care?
At this age, I don't ask.